Okay, today I'm going to be talking about the Sun and the edge of the heliosphere, and the fact that the Sun has an orbital boundary just like this droplet of water that is held in a vacuum. So I'm just going to play this with some narration, and you'll be able to hear what's actually happening with this.
A rotating sphere with bubbles and chunks from breaking up a small vitamin tablet. And the bubbles go to the center core, but the vitamin chunks seem to stay in their location dispersed through the sphere. And from this we deduced that the vitamin chunks have a density near that of water.
So what I was trying to prove there was that energy has a boundary, because one of my predictions of wave accumulation is about to be proven by science again.
The Sun's magnetic field spins opposite directions on the north and south poles, creating a sheet where the two spins meet. This sheet gently ripples as it travels outward, and the ripples get bigger as they go. When this sheet reaches the termination shock, it starts to compress, like water waves hitting a wall. The Voyager spacecraft have now found that after the termination shock, these stacked up ripples of magnetic field form bubbles, shown here as a computer simulation. This discovery has prompted a complete revision of what the heliosheath region looks like. The smooth, streamlined look is gone, replaced with a bubbly, frothy outer layer.
Okay, so this was my little paper on a video I did the other day, showing that each pulse wave stacks against the previous wave, and what does it look like? It looks like what I've written on screen there. And this is all from double helix energy flow, and as we see in the next little piece here, it's exactly the same. Bunched up bubbles. And this is the video from which it is taken.
This new layer also changes our understanding of how extremely fast-moving particles, called cosmic rays, enter our solar system. When they arrive at the bubble region, they slowly move from bubble to bubble until they can reach smooth magnetic field lines and follow them toward the Sun. The nature of the bubble region explains why Voyager 2 has been seeing variations in the number of energetic particles compared to Voyager 1. Because of its path, Voyager 2 has been passing in and out of the bubble region. When it is in the region, Voyager 2 sees many trapped cosmic rays and electrons. When it is out of the region, the spacecraft sees fewer. Even as the Voyagers answer questions about our solar system, they raise others. For example, scientists aren't clear yet how the bubbly heliosheath is linked to the ribbon feature discovered by Ibex and Cassini. This ribbon shows the emission of energetic particles and seems to indicate some interaction with interstellar space. In the meantime, the Voyager spacecraft continues sending back data, and, after 3 decades, they still have a unique perspective to offer about the universe we live in.
So there we have it, another prediction confirmed, showing accumulative waves bunch up and form small bubbles like that, as I showed in my picture. So that brings the total up to between 15 and 20 predictions correctly ascribed now, all down to the same thing. Energy travels in a double helix, and it's coming from God's hand in Habakkuk 3:4 and Ezekiel 47:9, and a river of life, a double-sized torrent, which means 2, coming from God's innermost parts, giving life to everything. So there we go, scripture and the fact that this theory keeps proving everything. Thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I'm a Christian.